dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. And as you all know, our exams are coming now. So, we will do our revision work. Okay. In our previous class, we wrote some letters that are A to M. Okay. And today we will revise our next letters that are N to Z. Okay. So, come with me.
Okay, so all of you take out your rubber pencil and eraser and also open your notebook. Okay, yes, first we will mention the date here. Today is 14th oblique 02 oblique 22. So, and come down and write here revision. Okay, REVISION. Okay, that is revision. Okay, now write the letters from कहाँ से कहाँ तक लिखेंगे आज हम letters? We will write the letters from N to Z. Okay, yes, N to Z. So write our first letter is, we will start our writing the letters from N. Okay, N से start करेंगे हम letters लिखना. So first write here letter M. Okay, yes. First write letter N. How to draw letter N? Two standing lines. Okay, after that draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom. Okay, yes, N. Okay, now which letter will come after N? That is letter O. Write here letter O. Okay, so this is our letter O. O के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? O के बाद आता है लेटर P. Draw one standing line, then go upside. After that, draw one small right curve from top to the middle. ऊपर से लेके बीच तक में हमें क्या करना है? लेटर बनाना है. ठीक है, लेटर P. P के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? P के बाद आता है लेटर Q. राइट हियर, ड्रॉ वन लेफ्ट बिग कर्व, देन टच द थर्ड लाइन. आफ्टर दैट अगेन गो अप साइड स्लोली स्लोली एंड मैच विद द जॉइन विद द C curve. ओके, yes, after that on the middle line we put one dot and draw a, from there you have to draw one right small slanting line from middle to the bottom. Okay, yes, so this is our letter Q. Okay, Q के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Which letter will come after Q? Q के बाद आता है लेटर R. Okay, so write down letter R. One standing line, go upside, then may draw a right small curve from top to the middle and then stop there and don't pick up your pencil, and from there you have to draw one right small slanting line from middle to the bottom. Okay, for making letter R. R के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? R के बाद आता है लेटर S. How to draw letter S? First draw one left small curve. After that again stop there and turn the pencil and draw one left small curve from middle to the bottom. Okay, for making letter S. So this is our letter S, and after S letter T will come. So draw one sleeping line on the first line, that is our pink line. After that on from the middle of the sleeping line we have to draw one standing line from top to the bottom. Okay, yes, okay. So R S T, T के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? U. Letter U will come after T. So draw here letter U. Draw one small standing line. After that take a U-turn or U-curve and again draw standing line upside. Okay, so curve is very important whenever you make this letter U, children. Okay, yes. Now which letter will come after U? V. Letter V. V for van will come. Okay, draw here letter V. How to draw? Draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom, then stop there, then again go upside and draw one left slanting line from bottom to the top. ठीक है, for making letter V. Okay, yes. Now tell me which letter will come? Letter W. R S T U, then V, then W. How to draw W? देखो एक easiest way बताऊँ W बनाने का, तो आपको दो V एक साथ जोड़ना है, दो V बना के जोड़ना है. ओके, so first draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom, then again go upside and draw one left slanting line from bottom to the top, again come down. पेंसिल नहीं उठानी है आपको लेटर W बनाते समय, ठीक है? डोंट पिक अप योर पेंसिल. And then again draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom, then again draw one left slanting line from bottom to the top for making our letter W. Okay, we use all slanting lines whenever we make this letter W. Okay, always keep in mind. Yes, yes. So now move our next letter, that is X. Which letter will come? Letter X will come after W. So draw here. First draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom, then go upside and from there you have to draw one left slanting line from top to the bottom that cross the right slanting line, है ना, on the middle line. जो एक पहले आपने एक राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ की, फिर जब आप लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो ऐसे करेंगे कि वो फर्स्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन को मिडिल में कट करें, मिडिल लाइन पर. देखिए ध्यान से. ओके, यस. ओके, नाउ ड्रॉ आवर नेक्स्ट लेटर, दैट इज आवर लेटर Y. So draw one small right slanting line from top to the middle, then again go upside and from there you have to draw one left slanting line from top to the bottom for making letter Y. Okay, letter Y बनाने के लिए क्या करना है आपको? पहले एक लेफ्ट राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन, छोटी सी राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन ऊपर से लेके बीच वाली लाइन तक ड्रॉ करनी है. फिर दूसरी साइड जाके आपको एक लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो फर्स्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन को टच करते हुए जाती है ऊपर से नीचे तक. ओके, फर्स्ट टू थर्ड लाइन, ठीक है ना? यस. एंड विच इज आवर नेक्स्ट लेटर? Our next and the last letter is letter Z. Okay, Y के बाद letter क्या आता है? Z. How to draw letter Z? Like this. ऐसे draw one slipping line and from there you have to draw one left slanting line and then again draw a small slipping line back side. ठीक है। पहले आपको कैसे बनाना है, पहले आपको आगे आना है, फिर नीचे स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करते हुए जाना है थर्ड लाइन पे, फिर वहीं से आपको पीछे की ओर जाना है फॉर मेकिंग लेटर Z. ओके, यस. सो once again speak out all the letters with me. This is letter N. N for nest. After that O. O for orange. After that P. P for pan. After that Q. Q for queen. After that R. R for rose. Then S. S for sun. S for ship. Then T. T for tiger. Then U. U for umbrella. Then V. V for van. Then W. W for watch. Okay. Then X. X for Xmas tree. Then Y. Y for yacht. Then our last letter is letter Z. Z for zebra. Okay, Z for zebra. So right here. Okay, so do these letters well. Do practice this letter well at your home, children. And now we will meet in our next class. So till then, bye bye to everyone. Okay, bye.